Hey, this is Steve with RPM Off-Road Garage. We have here a brand new INEOS Grenadier. We did a pretty simple setup on this one, just Eibach lift springs. I believe it's about a 2-inch lift. Looks good. Still on factory wheels and tires, but looks like there's going to be plenty of room for some larger tires. Other side. Let's take a look at the coils. Front. Rears are kind of hidden, but let's try to, there it is. We also did the alignment. Specs came out fairly good, but probably could use some more caster. Our alignment machine did not have this vehicle specification available yet, but after we ran it as a Jeep, since solid axle and the suspension setup pretty much very similar to a Jeep, we ended up only about with a degree of caster, which is not really enough. So we have the front cams maxed out, and it would probably be beneficial to have either a front lower or upper adjustable link to get increase in caster. But we ran the front toe at 0.07 and 0.08, which is pretty standard for most trucks, whether it's solid axle or independent front suspension. But we would like to see this caster number right here in the middle in the red, somewhere around at least 2.5 to 3.5 degrees. That usually makes them drive a lot better on the highway. And when you make a turn around, like a tight right turn, it will help the steering wheel return to center much better. So, you know, we'll have to do some more research, since we're mostly a Toyota shop. I'll look on the internet to see what links are out there that are adjustable to see. But the stock arms do have adjustment, but just not enough. So there is a cam right there, and there's a cam on the other side, but this one's like maxed out, so there's not much range. But I think if we have an adjustable lower link or upper link, you could lengthen the lower link, that'll give you caster, or you can shorten the upper link up there and that'll give you caster. It's basically to rotate that axle a couple degrees, similar to like a front fork on a bike. You know, that angle that forks at will, you know, keep the bike straighter. The same type of theory applies to vehicles. The caster is kind of very helpful with highway speed stability. All right, well, that's pretty much it. Here it is from the side. Looking good.